Body Hair Removal 101, a comprehensive guide to every method. The ultimate guide to body hair removal. Welcome to MTH Health. In today's video, we'll explore the ultimate guide to body hair removal, helping you choose the best method for smooth, healthy skin. Many people remove body hair for cultural, personal, or aesthetic reasons, whether it's for hygiene, confidence, or personal preference. Body hair removal is a widely practiced routine worldwide, but which method is best for you? Stick around as we break down the pros and cons of laser hair removal, waxing, sugaring, and more. Laser hair removal is one of the most advanced and long-lasting solutions. It works by using high-intensity light to target hair follicles, reducing future growth over time, permanent hair reduction, less frequent maintenance, reduced risk of ingrown hairs, higher cost per session, requires multiple treatments, may cause temporary skin sensitivity. If you're looking for a more permanent solution and have the budget, laser hair removal might be the best option for you. Waxing is a popular and affordable method that removes hair from the root, leaving skin smooth for weeks. Hair grows back finer and softer. It's quick and effective. Plus, it's affordable compared to laser treatments, but it can be painful, especially for beginners. It may cause skin irritation or redness, and there's a risk of ingrown hairs if not done correctly. If you want an efficient budget-friendly option, waxing might be your go-to solution. Sugaring is an ancient hair removal method using a natural sugar, lemon, and water paste to gently pull hair from the root. It's less painful than waxing. There are fewer ingrown hairs, and it's made from all natural ingredients. However, it can be messy and it requires professional expertise for best results. If you have sensitive skin and prefer a chemical-free option, sugaring is a fantastic choice. So how do you decide which method is best for you? Here are some key factors to consider. First, pain tolerance. If you have a low pain threshold, sugaring or laser treatments may be better options than waxing. Next, budget. Waxing and sugaring are more affordable short-term, while laser hair removal saves money in the long run, then long-term goals. If you want a permanent solution, laser is the way to go. But if you prefer temporary results, waxing or sugaring are great alternatives. Pro tip: no matter which method you choose, always use moisturizers and soothing creams after hair removal to keep your skin healthy and irritation-free. And that wraps up the ultimate guide to body hair removal. Which method do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness tips from MTH Health. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.